today I'm going to be doing a review on this flawless braided wig. This install only took your girl 5 minutes. So if you want to see how to lay and slay your braided wig, and by the way, this wig is glueless, in like 10 minutes, make sure to keep watching. Okay, so as you guys saw from the title, today, guys, you know, I'm trying to switch it up for you, get some different content out there. So I thought, why not try a braided wig? So, and if you hear a little crunching in the back, it's because my dog is right here and I have to give him a bone too. So I reached out to Delight Braided Wigs, and she's so nice and her work is so great. And I got this really cute braided wig. Look at this. Look at these colors. It's so long, guys. Now mind you, I've never had braids before, like ever, like any type, like braided wig, braids in my hair, like I just haven't had it. But look at this, you guys, like look at it. So I asked for knotless braids, so this is what you see here, and it's so cute. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to bleach the knots and stuff and install it. So yeah, keep watching, guys, because this, honestly, I'm not gonna say I don't know what I'm doing, but this is the first time for me as well. So let's see how this goes. Now, alongside with the wig, I did receive this really cute bonnet. I love this bonnet, y'all, and it is huge. Like, it can't. It's so big, but it's to be able to hold all the braids or whatever. And so yeah, like I really love it, and the inside of it is satin. Yeah, it's like, it's really cute. But back to the wig. So the wig does come with a band in the inside, as well as 3 clips. You know, the regular wig clips that we have to push in our braids. And of course it has the oh, I lied, it has 4 clips. It has one at the top, 2 on the sides, and 1 at the bottom. So it also has this you know, like the little adjustable strap thingy, so you can make it fit tight on your head. And I hope you guys notice this little braid going around the hold on, let me make sure you guys can see. Okay, see this little braid going around the front? So I'm going to take that loose, and that's going to be my baby hairs. This is also interesting to me, guys. I'm like so excited. Now I'm going to link my video to how to bleach knots with air brush legs on the end of this video. But I'm just going to go through the wig and lightly spray a coat of this. Now this is my perfect skin color. This does come in other shades, so if you're dark, medium, or light, or you know, cream, they have it in all colors. So you know, there's something for everyone. So now, as you can see, since I've done that, look at the scalp. It's like I bleached the knots. It's like so perfect now. Now all I'm going to do to seal this in is I'm going to spray it with some Got To Be Glued holding spray, and then I'm going to blow dry it just to lock that color in so it doesn't bleed through. But yeah, this is going to be amazing. I'm so excited. I like been wanting braids all summer. Lightly spray the inside. And now I'm just going to go in with my blow dryer and just seal it. Okay, so as you can see, I've sealed it. So okay, see my fingers? Look at this. Nothing's gonna come off because that Got To Be Glued is gonna hold it in. And once again, look at that scalp now. Perfect. It's gonna be a perfect match. I know y'all see me out here with my hat and no makeup, but trust me, I'm going to transform by the end of this video. Girl, I made that snug, child. did do this in the middle part, so I need to make sure that part's in the middle. Oh my god, y'all, look at this. I have braids. This is so crazy. This is legit insane right now. Like, I am shook. I don't know about you guys, but I am shook. And do you guys see how that spray made it like my perfect color? Like, this is like perfect. Like, y'all, I'm shook. And look how long it is. So, it goes all the way down to my butt. Ah! This is so crazy. I'm like, y'all don't pay attention to my little nail. Long story, y'all. Long story. This is crazy. I think I'm probably gonna wear it to the side a lot, but this is so crazy. I love it. I like absolutely love it. So let me stop rambling. Oh, it fits so nice and snug too. This is so crazy. So now I'm just gonna go ahead on and cut the lace, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so as you can see, the wig is secure. I just went ahead on and put all 4 clips in my braids, and yeah, that was really all I did. And you know, the band, but this is not glued down at all. Like, it's kind of just winging it here. So now what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I took out that front braid to make the baby hairs. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and make my baby hairs. These are a little long for me, so. And I want you guys to know, I have my real baby, I have my real baby hairs out right here to kind of blend in, just to make all of this look a little more natural. Okay guys, so as you can see, I did my eyebrows, threw on some lashes. I don't have any makeup on my face, got some lip gloss, you know, just a little something. This is lotion, okay? But yes, look at this. So this is how my baby hairs ended up coming out. I tried not to be too neat, you know, with it, or anal, because I be trying to make stuff look perfect, but you know, trying to embrace the imperfect, you know. I tried to make them all different lengths, blah 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 blah. Forget about that. This wig is the bomb. Like, I am honestly like so shook. Like, I really like this. So yeah, I just kind of swung them all to the side, but this wig was made with the middle part. Let me go ahead and show you that. Okay, so this is how the wig looks in the middle part. Really cute, and it's really neat. Look how straight that part is down the middle, how neat the boxes are. This is like super tight. These braids aren't going anywhere. But yeah, I am like totally in love with this. Oh my gosh, look at the length you guys. Look at this. Oh, my shorts down, but look at this. I love this. This is like a whole new me. Like, I've never seen myself with braids, and I couldn't. So if you are like me and you have like never worn braids before, I think I really like this deep side part. But if you've never worn braids before, like, this is the perfect option for you because you can take it on and off as you please. You don't have to wear it every day, everywhere, you know. But at the same time, it's gonna be popping because she has all different types of styles. Box braids, braids to the scalp, lemonade braids, different colors, blonde, blah blah. Whatever you want, she has those options. Now let me give you the specs in case you want to order the unit that you see I have on right here. So the wig that I have on is the Knotless Box Braid Wig Mary. Okay, so this wig retails between $139.99 and $170. Now the one that I have will retail for $170 because I got this bad boy in 30 inches. I got it in 30 inches. You know, it's still a hot girl summer, so I needed my inches. Okay. Now this is a handmade braided knotless box braids, medium sized braids. The color shown is 1 ombre, and yeah, it's in 30 inches. Love this, love this. I will leave the link down to her store down below, and so you guys could check her out. But I am really in love with this wig. And by the way, in case you did not catch it, I did not glue this wig down. This wig is being held on by a band that she had already put in the wig, and some clips that she put in. It was 4 clips. And this wig, honey, like, I'm really pulling. It ain't going nowhere. Like, now, as you guys saw, I did go over my knots with this airbrush leg in my skin color. Like I said before, this does come in light, medium, and dark. So whatever your shade is, they'll have this, or if you need to mix them, because I've seen some people mix 2 colors, you need to get their perfect shade, blah blah. Because I like this way better than using makeup, because makeup, you'll dab it, and sometimes you can tend to dab too much. It can be too heavy, bleed through to the hair. But with this little, you know, pump, it's supposed to make your legs look airbrushed, so it kind of gives it like an even spray and not too heavy. So I really like this alternative, and I will leave the link on how, a more detailed video on how I bleach the knots without actually bleaching the knots using this airbrush legs. But once again, I am completely in love with this wig. Like, it came out absolutely perfect. Look at that, guys. I'm in love. This is great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to check the description box down below for all the details and links to get either this exact unit, or, you know, pick out of the many other options that your girl have. These wigs are really affordable. Her timing was really, really great. Like, it didn't take forever for this wig to come. Hold on. It did come with this really cute, huge bonnet with a satin inside. I love this bonnet. I've worn it every night since I've gotten it. It doesn't hurt my head, but it does not come off. So shout out to her for that. But yeah, love this wig. Love, love, love. Yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and remember to tell your friends to watch my videos so we can be friends. Y'all know how it goes.